Guys, okay, I'm very excited because look at what I just did after freaking 2 hours of grinding. I got the honeybee candles and I unlocked the ace gift present. Shout to the absolute frick, I've been gifted Riley B. Philippius. How much hoodie? He just gave me 2 billion hoodie. Oh my god. 2 billion hoodie, 25 tickets, 25 red extracts, 1 red balloon, 5 swirled rexes, 5 gingerbread bears, and 1 electric candle. Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna turn this into like a Christmas tune. 2 billion honey, 25 tickets, 25 red extracts, 1 red balloon, 5 swirled racks, 1 electric candle, and 5 gingerbread bears, and 1 magic bean from the frickin' festive bee. Alright, admire these things. What the fuck? Oh my god. So now let's go open up the 8th gift present. I totally have not been waiting on this moment for freaking 5 years. So let's go. Oh my god. Literally, I've been. And also, what I did last night, I macroed in the whatchamacallit field, dandelion, because my bees are not strong enough to take down a goddamn mantis. So I had a macro in that field, and I got 100 million white pollen. So 4 more days, I'll be able to unlock the Galentine Shrine. Come on. Oh my god. Do not die. Do not. God dang. How did I die? Oh my god, I gotta do this again. Holy. I'm a little bit sick today, so I cannot believe this. I finally completed this god dang question. Then the Galentine Shrine soon will be mine. Then I'll be able to unlock freaking whatchamacallit blessing. And best of all, I can unlock the winter memory match. Jump. Right now I'm gonna put on oil so I can jump faster. Yeah. 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 Jump. Ooh. I might actually do it. Well, haven't had no slip ups. Oh, let's go! Alright. What? An atomic treat. No way! Oh my gosh. Alright, hold on. Let me read what I just got. 1 atomic treat, 1 bubble light, 50 neon berries. And 1 yellow beaver's light thingy. Oh my good golly. Y'all already know who I'm giving that to. That atomic treat. Oh, Vicious Bee. Come here. Me. I swear to God, if I do not get a critical chance or a damage improve. Man, flip you, Vicious Bee. You smell like crap. I don't know why you took your icicles off. Put them back on. Bruh. of. That sucks so bad. What is this? Who's it go for? And enter. I do not have a. Oh wait, I do precise B. Let's go, you guys. Alright, let's just put this stuff on my hive. No, nobody. Okay. Man, I can't even do anything with the bubble. Oh my god. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let you know until I get it. Okay, you guys, I just found out that the thing is being validated by the server, so whatever that means. Well, let's do a little bit of boosting real quick. Alright. Let me just make that be 9 real quick. I cannot believe I got 2 billion honey from 1 bee. And also this kid popped a nectar shower vial. So I'm definitely going to be boosted later. Sorry I've been sick in most of these videos I've made. I'm very sorry. This is very cold here where I'm at right now, so I'm never talking to Gifted Riley B again. I don't even know why I gave him a translator. 5? Oh my god. Okay. No! No! Sorry, I had to sneeze. Delicious. What do I need to craft? Oh, I'm gonna live. I need to make a glue. Load of dice. Ew, boy. Macro. D. I might get sued for singing the Mario song. Wait, no, I can't, cause I am not. Alright, you guys. Hold off on that. Actually, making a decent bit of honey. Because the next thing I might try and get, I wanted to spend. I might be gambling. Or no. The way that's in the wrong context. I might be gambling with Royal Jelly in the next 2 episodes, maybe. Maybe I might spend 1 billion and I might try and get a mythic bee. Maybe I might. Or actually, you know what? I might spend on treats. Love up a vicious bee. They're fatty. Get down! Oh my god! Okay, well, that 2 million was a shocking. Like, I am genuinely in shock right now. Oh wait, I didn't do my daily stuff. Meow 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 meow. What's up, Spirit Bear? You're annoying. Oil. That. Please speed, I need that. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, at least I got 25. I mean, no, 25 rolls at least. I wish I got 25 rolls. Wait, what did I say I was doing? Oh, yeah. 2 more. Oh, bet that up, you guys. I'm about to get the honey mask. Bet that the fart up. Do I have a gold egg? Please say I do. Please say I do. Yes, I do. Ooh. Okay. Oil. How much do I need? 50 oil. Okay. So, 37 more. Let's just turn them on, cover. What? Brrr. I don't think lime. I need 307. Dude. Bruh, I'm perfect at 7 bill. Alright, 3 hours, I'll craft the honey mask. Wait, let me make sure I have the enzymes. Okay. Let me go make the treats real quick. Alright, you guys, let's check it out. Oil, and then I can bet 25% more power. Alright, guys, bye.